YouTube, now to remove the sunroof glass on an E46 3 Series BMW. It takes only 3 bolts, which is this one right here. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Now to remove it, we're gonna need this tool. Gonna need the torque, the little star looking socket. There you go. On the size, it's going to be a T25, torque 25. So this is the one we're gonna need. I'm gonna put it again in here. Once it's here, we're gonna go on the screws right there. To get it out. Put them on a safe place. Get the other one off. Put them on a safe place. Last one. There you go. So there is only gonna be 3 of them. 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side. This is 1, 2, 3. So once we remove those, we're gonna push the glass up and we'll be able to get it out. Para quitar el sunroof del BMW E46 Series 3, va a haber 3 tornillos de estrella. La medida de la estrella es T25. Se va a quitar 3, va a ser 1, 2, 3. Se quita. Igual del otro lado. Ya que estén los 6 tornillos de estrella quitados, se empuja el vidrio hacia arriba. Y ahí sale. Como pueden ver, like if you can see right here, those are removed already. If I push the glass up, it's already coming out. So let me go ahead and remove the other 3. And we're ready to remove the glass. Alright, so now we're ready to remove the glass. 6 bolts are off. All you do is this. Lift it. And there it's off. Let me ask someone to give me a hand so I can get it off. I'll be back. So there you guys have it. Sunroof is off. The glass. There you go. Thanks for watching. And it's to reinstall it the same way. It's backwards.